guys, come va ragazzi? Welcome to my second trade recap, and today I'm gonna show you my long on EURUSD from yesterday, 28th of October 2021. Okay, so let's start from weekly. Okay, basically on weekly we had this situation yesterday. We had these two weekly candlestick that closed basically bullish and filled this imbalance, but I noticed that above this level we had a lot of liquidity. Here we have another imbalance in efficiency that probably will be filled in the future, and for me the bullish intention was clear, so I was I looked for a bullish opportunity, a long opportunity, and in fact on daily time frame, in my opinion, we were bullish. And let me explain you why. Because here we had this break of structure, here we have this break of structure, here we have this liquidity building, and after this after the price filled this imbalance, yeah, we had this pullback and the price struggling to break this low, which is for me the last swing low before this swing high. And one little confirmation for me was this huge wick that took out this liquidity to daily candlesticks. Okay, so basically they built liquidity for 2 days, create this wick to cover this imbalance, this inefficiency, and grab this liquidity, and then push the price higher and break this structure. Okay, so for me the intention was bullish on daily at least. Then we had this pullback and we had this reaction for 2 consecutive days, 1 and 2. So price never went through this level. Honestly, we had this reaction 1, 2, 3 for 3 consecutive days. So this liquidity was taken from this level, this week. Let me change the. Okay. This liquidity below this low, this daily low, was taken from this, and here we had a liquidity building below those 2 daily candlesticks. And as you can see, yesterday they took this liquidity out. They took this liquidity out and pushed the price higher finally to grab this liquidity and to tap at least into this supply area. Okay. In my opinion, probably we can see in the future price higher, but now probably they give to us a pullback now, but let's see. On 4 hour we had this situation. They built liquidity for, let's see, weekday separator. Okay, okay, they built liquidity for almost the whole week. Okay, from Tuesday to the next Monday, then went down to mitigate our demand. 1, 2, 3 candlestick that took out this liquidity and pushed price higher. When the price reached this level, we had a couple of reaction. Okay, first reaction, second reaction, etc. And honestly, I'm super proud of this trade because I wait for the whole week, and I took a couple of break-even trades and 1 stop loss before to take this one. Okay, so I'm super proud of this trade because I developed a solid mindset and I stick to my plan, and I just believe to my analysis. Okay, in my analysis. Okay, so yeah, I'm super happy for this trade, and I'm super proud of my mindset. Because I think one of the most difficult things in trading is to bring your mindset at the same level of your knowledge. So yeah, I'm fucking proud. So let's see why I decided to take this one. Yeah, as I told you, they basically try to break this level but fail multiple times, and build liquidity below to reach this extreme. If we take this entire level, we can see easily that price moving close to the 50% of this entire movement, and then build liquidity. They grabbed liquidity yesterday and pushed the price higher. Okay, why I think that we were bullish on daily, because yeah, we have this and this break of structure. Okay, so on 4 hour, in my opinion, we just needed a great setup to catch this movement, to grab at least this liquidity and tap into this big supply area. My entry was based on 12-10 minutes, because first of all, they grab all this liquidity. So for me, this was a nice confluence that showed me basically the price want just to clear it out, this liquidity, and push the price higher to break this structure and then come back. Okay, so the first entry, the first potential entry was this one. So straight into this refine area. Let me explain you why. Because here we had an inducement. We have this one break of structure, two break of structure, which is my entry model. Double confirmation entry. So 1 and 2 break of structure. Then we had, of course, multiple break of structure. They broke this wing and this wing structure, and basically price back up to the origin of this movement. I like to play the extreme every time. So the first entry can be this one. And my profit level was 1.16700. But this wasn't actually my entry, because I missed this one. So I had to react to this situation, and my entry was, so potentially I could make 26 R. This wasn't my basically my trade. So I decided to react, because I really believed in this opportunity, especially because I followed this price action for the whole week. So I decided to scale into this price action, to zoom into this price action, and in my opinion here we had another entry opportunity, which is this liquidity swap being to the downside, strong movement and strong reaction. And here we had interaction between buyers and sellers, first interaction and second interaction before before the change of character. Okay, so before this break of structure above. So another confirmation. So when the price broke this structure, create this pullback inside this level, I decide to take the 50% of this candlestick as entry level, but I didn't want to be stopped out, so I decided to use this as my stop loss level, 9 pips stop loss, and my profit level again 116 and 700. It was like 8R more or less. My trade management was like that. basically my partial was taken here, my TP1 was there, up there. When the price basically feel this imbalance, I decided to take my partial because I wanted to capitalize my entry, and I wanted to avoid maybe a reaction inside this level and then pull back, or basically a reversal. Okay, because everything can happen into the markets, into the forex market, so you need to react every time. Okay, so and my second and last TP was above this liquidity. Okay, so the most important part of this trade, honestly, was the patience, because I had to develop patience to take this kind of trade. And the second important thing is the ability to react to many different situations. Okay, so of course the best entry ever was this level. Okay, in my opinion. So or this level, this refined L level, or this one. But if you took this level, immediately the previous movement to the upside, the price came back and stop you break even. So you have to react again and take again another entry here if you still believe in your analysis. Okay, or react as I did. And looking for another entry, and in this case, fortunately, I had an opportunity to grab and to catch this trade. Okay, so I decided to take this entry, but I didn't want to risk, because yeah, as I told you, I wait for this opportunity for the whole week. So for me, 8 hard was a great result. So I don't. My opinion is that you have to set a realistic goal for your trading. Yeah, my 8 hard with one trade for me is a great result. So yeah, why not? Okay. I hope this lesson was useful for you guys. Give me a feedback and let me know. See you the next time.